You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this airport in Tokyo, Japan, International Airport. By the way, if you want to learn how to pronounce more Japanese places and useful vocabulary, stay tuned. I've got more pronunciation videos you'll want to learn from. Haneda is the Japanese pronunciation. Haneda. Haneda. Therefore, in English, it's simply pronounced as Haneda. Haneda Airport. Haneda Airport, English pronunciation. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.